Hey guys, so today I'm going to be working on the rear end of my Saab 9.3, and as you can see it didn't come with the rear lip spoiler and it just had holes there, so I just taped it up so that the water wouldn't get in it. And also this part, that part I'll have to work on later, but today I'm going to be installing the lip spoiler, and there it is. So I'm gonna start unboxing and I'll see you after that. Alright, so here's the lip. It's in very good condition. It has some fingerprints, but I'll clean that after. It's got a little chip there. Otherwise, I think it looks to be in good shape. Alright, so just doing a test fit right now. It's OEM, so it's going to fit like it's supposed to. I kind of like that it's black. I think the contrast looks pretty good. So I was thinking of how I need to attach this to this trunk, and I think there's supposed to be nuts that go on each of these, but mine didn't come with one. I'm going to use the 3M tape that I have laying around, one of these, and I think that'll do the job just as fine. I'm going to start putting the tape on the bottom side of the spoiler. First I'm going to clean it with alcohol. Okay, well, I don't think the tape is sticking very well to the lip because there's not enough surface area for the tape to stick onto. So what I'm gonna try is to put tape actually on the body because I know where the spoiler meets the metal. So I'm gonna try that. Alright, so here it is. There's some tape that I need to redo, but otherwise, part 2. But otherwise, I think it looks pretty good. So here's the end result. It was pretty easy. I finished in, I would say, 15 to 20 minutes. The hardest part was to make sure you tape it so that it doesn't show through. So here, if you see here, you can see kind of the tape showing through. I'll fix that later, but yeah, that's the only thing that. Oh, and this side too. But that's the only thing that was that took me a couple tries. But other than that, it's not a hard thing to install. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.